Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC08. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC08 is making strange noises and losing suction, you're not alone. This issue typically arises due to a blockage or a failing motor. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage and a complete loss of functionality, resulting in a more costly repair down the line. To successfully carry out this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor, and a set of replacement filters. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by removing the bin and any attachments to give yourself clear access. Locate the screws on the base of the unit, typically found near the wheels. Carefully unscrew these using your Phillips screwdriver, applying steady pressure to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the casing from the main body. Be cautious here, as there are cables connected that you don't want to damage. Next, identify the motor, which is situated at the rear inside the casing. If you notice any unusual wear or debris around it, this might be the culprit of the noise. To remove the motor, disconnect the wires by gently pulling on the connector, ensuring you remember where each wire connects. There may be additional screws holding the motor in place, so remove those with your screwdriver. When extracting the motor, do so with care to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Once the motor is free, take your new replacement motor and fit it into the same position, securing it with the screws you just removed. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they're attached firmly and in the correct order. Now, before we close everything up, it's a good idea to replace the filters as well, as they can also contribute to poor suction if clogged. Simply remove the old filters and insert the new ones in their designated slots. Now, it's time to reassemble your Dyson. Place the casing back onto the main body, ensuring all clips and connectors are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not excessively to avoid any damage. Finally, plug in your Dyson and give it a test run. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, regularly check and clean your filters and ensure there are no blockages in the hose or attachments. Additionally, keep the vacuum free of debris and avoid using it on excessively dirty surfaces without regular maintenance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.